I'm Celeste, CEO of Celestial Bodies, and I am bringing you the first ever Celestial Bodies Booty Scrunch Twerk Off. This is your chance to win $350 of Celestial Bodies gear to be featured on celestialbodies.com, all of Celestial Bodies social media, and my personal social media as well. Now here's how the contest will work. You have from now until September 16th to go to celestialbodies.com and enter code TWERK to get 20% off your entire order. Then you'll have until October 7th, that's actually Twerk Tuesday, to submit your twerk video to celestialbodies@yahoo.com. Now, your video can be up to 30 seconds, and you must, in your video somewhere, say that you are participating in the Celestial Bodies Booty Scrunch Twerk Off. Ladies, you must be wearing a pair of Celestial Bodies Booty Scrunch pants in your video. Guys, do not feel excluded because you can enter too as long as you're wearing a Celestial Bodies beanie or a hat. And tell us who you're twerking for. Your girlfriend, your wife, your mom would probably look good in booty scrunch. Now all videos will be judged by me. It will be judged based on creativity, background scenery, twerk by the mailbox, and overall twerking dynamic, of course. So don't worry if you're not Twerk Master Flex. If you have fun and make me laugh, you have a really good chance at winning. So, ready, set, twerk?
Queen, he was keeping me stylish. Now that's real, real, real.